The visible universe is estimated to contain 10 power 22 stars. So the number of stars is equals to 10 power 22 stars. How many moles of stars are present in the visible universe? Such a simple question it is. So they are giving the estimated stars is this is the number, and how many moles they are asking. So what is the number of moles formula? If the given number of particles, speak everyone. Given number of particles divided by Avogadro number. So given number of particles is 10 power 22. Avogadro number is, what is Avogadro number? 6.022 into 10 power 23. Clear everyone? So now 10 power 22, 10 power 23 cancel, 1 will be there. So which is equals to 1 by 6.022 into 10. So this one I'll write as a 1 by 60.22. Any problem for anybody? Are you all clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now do this division and tell me the answer. That is only the moles. All of you do it. Let me see who will do first. So how to do it? Avoid the decimals. Multiply with the 100 so that it will turn up into 100 divided by 6022. So that's all. Answer please. 100 divided by 6022. What is the answer, Ra? 0.0166. So that is the answer. Make it everyone. Clear everybody? Princey, Darshana, solving Prardhana, Jai Krishnan.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Make it. Kishore, good morning. Lingesh.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Sira Lingesh, again Mukesh forgot the momentum formula. Do it fast. Completed, Shivani. Next question. My next question is very important for our general life, regular life. So that is what we are going to do it. So what is the SI prefix for each of the following multiples and submultiples of a unit? 10 power 3. 10 power 3 means what? I already taught you. Suppose you see that 1000 joules. 1000 joules I can write how many kilojoules? 1 kilojoule. Do you remember? Everybody, power also we have written. So
Yes.
1000 means what? Don't say Mira
Ten
Mukesh now. I asked you 10 minutes before. Now you are saying the formula. Bad boy. So 10 power 3 means what, Amma?
thousand.
Kilo. 10 power 3 means what? Kilo. Clear? So K indicates 10 power 3. Next, 10 power minus 1. You don't know. I will say you right. 10 power minus 1 means deci. Write it. 10 power minus 2 means centi. 10 power minus 6 means micro. Micro. 10 power minus 9. This you all people knows. Can you tell me? 10 power minus 9. Atom size we can measure. Atom size we can measure.
Nano.
Nanometer. Nano.
Nanometer.
Yes. Nano. So we have studied atom size. 1 meter is equals to 10 power 9 nanometers. 1 nanometer is equals to 10 power minus 9 meters. That is what? 10 power minus 9 is the nano. 10 power minus 12, which we used to call it as a pico. Okay, learn because future you are going to get this all. 10 power minus 1 deci, 10 power minus 2 centi, 10 power minus 6 micro, 10 power minus 9 nano, 10 power minus 12 pico. Okay, Shivani. Sangamitra. Next. Next. Express each of the following in kilograms. Very, very real life question. Very, very important question. So, express each of the following in kilograms they are asking. Prefix means before we are adding, amma. Before the word, if you are adding prefix. Suppose fortunately, unfortunately, un is the prefix. Sufficient, not sufficient, that is prefix. Before word, if you are adding prefix, after the word, you are adding suffix. Okay, amma?
Okay, sir.
Now, next question is a very realistic question, very important question also. You all should learn that. Before going to start that question, I am teaching you. So 1 kilogram is equals to how many grams? Everybody?
1000 grams.
1000 grams. Same way, 1 gram is equals to 1 by 1000 kilogram. Next, same way, 1 gram is equals to 1000 milligrams. 1 gram equals to how much? 1000
grams.
milligrams. From that, 1 milligram is equals to 10 power minus 3 grams. Let me write it as a beautiful way. 10 power minus 3. Any problem? Anybody?
Also,
Okay, understand, all of you? Learn. Because milligrams, first time you might be learning it. 1 gram is equals to 1000 milligrams. Okay, now you can solve. So 5.84 into 10 power 3 milligrams, we have to convert into what? Kilograms. Oh, let us find that relation also. Now see how to find. So first I'll write 5.84 into 10 power minus 3 into milligrams to kilograms. It is directly we cannot. So middle somebody is there. What is that?
gram.
Somebody is there. Grams. That is what. So milligrams to grams, grams to kilogram. Milligram to gram. 1 milligram equals to 10 power minus 3 gram. 1 gram is equals to 10 power minus 3 kilogram. Okay, so I'll multiply. So 5.84 into 10 power minus 3 into 1 mg I'll write. 1 milligrams means how many grams? All of you. 1 milligrams means how many grams?
10 power minus 3 grams.
Yeah. So 10 power minus 3 grams. So which is equals to how much? Which is equals to how much? 5.84 into minus 3 plus minus 3. How much, Ra? Minus 6 grams. Next again, 5.84 into 10 power minus 6 into 1 gram equals to how many kilograms?
10 power minus
Minus.
kg.
So what is the final answer? 5.84 into 10 power minus 9 kilograms. So please do it. Or else I will directly teach the relation. Learn, Ra. 1 milligram is equals to 10 power minus 6 kilogram. Okay, va? Mudinjicha. Minus 3 into minus 6 minus 9 over. Clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? You can ask me. Mari, clear? Engage?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Clear, everybody? Next, 58.34 grams. Very simple. So we all know 1 gram is equals to how many kilograms? That's all multiplied. So 58.34 into
10 power minus 3.
10 power minus 3 kilogram. Now you want to write it simplified 5.834 into 10 power minus 2 kilogram. Any problem? Yes?
Oh, sir.
Understand? Google Raj, clear Ra? Next,
Yes, sir.
0.584 grams. Beautifully. Can you tell me anybody how to write this one? Now I'll write CC. 584. Can I write as a 584 into 10 power minus 3 grams? First, this itself,
Yes,
I'm
sir.
avoiding the decimals. Any problem? Anybody? Then I am writing 584 into 10 power minus 3 into 10 power minus 3 kilogram. Any problem, anybody? So 584 into 10 power minus 6 kilogram. Problem means you can ask. Clear, everyone? Understand, Amma?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, 5.873 into 10 power minus 21 grams. Wow. So 5.873 into 10 power minus 21 into 1 gram is equals to how many? 10 power minus 3 kilograms. So answer is what? 5.873 into 10 power minus 24. Finish it, Mr. Nivedan, clear? Magalya, late. Make it quick. Google completed. Hasani, do it. Alfin, call to Niroshi. Make it quick, everyone. Any doubt?
Oh, sir.
Next question. Compute the difference in masses of 10 power 3 moles of each of the magnesium atoms and magnesium ions. Each of the magnesium atoms and magnesium ions. That is what. So we all knows that mass of electron is negligible. So ion or atom, both are having the same mass or different mass. Everybody? Yes, please.
Same.
Same mass. So compute the difference in masses of 10 power 3 moles. 10 power 3 means 1000 moles, guys, not 1 mole. 1000 moles. Each of magnesium atoms and magnesium ions. So, you all observe very carefully. Each magnesium will give how many electrons? 1 electron or 2 electron? Mg2 plus. So, it will lose how many electrons? Not 1 electron. How many electrons?
2 electrons.
2 electrons it will lose. So totally now 10 power 3 moles is there. 10 power 3 moles of magnesium is there. Means what is the loss of electrons? What is the giving electrons, Mr. Prithvi? What is the number of giving electrons? Yes, please. All of you. How many electrons it will give you? Are here one magnesium, 2 electrons. 2 magnesium, 4 electrons. 10 magnesium, 10 electrons. Now 10 power 3 moles of electrons are magnesium. Then how many electrons will come? 2 into 10 power 3 moles. Am I right or wrong? Speak.
Yes, sir.
Yes? All of you?
Yes, sir.
2 into 10 power 3 moles electrons gives how much? 2 into 10 power 3 moles of electrons will come out. And again, how many atoms will come? Ions will come. Ions, magnesium ions. Magnesium ions again, how many will come? Electrons only 2. And magnesium ions, how many will come again? 10 power 3 moles of magnesium ions. Do you all understand, everybody? We are having magnesium atoms and 10 power 3 magnesium atoms is there. Same 10 power 3 magnesium ions will come. Shivani, understand this point? 10 power 3 magnesium atoms are there. Same 10 power 3 magnesium ions will come. But electrons alone, how many will come? Each atom 2 electrons. So, number of electrons is equals to 2 into 10 power 3 moles. Do you all understand, everyone? Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is. So,
Yes.
what is the total mass of electrons? Let us find. Mass of total electrons. Very important and very interesting question. Mass of total electrons. So this is the number of electrons and they have given mass of one electron. Observe what is the mass of one electron? How much given? Mass of one electron, how much given?
9.1 into 10 power minus 31.
9.1 into 10 power minus 31. So totally how many electrons we have? 2 into 10 power 3 moles. So 1 mole equals to how many electron? Anybody? 1 mole equals to how many particles? That famous number you all knows. 1 mole equals to how many particles?
0.022.
Yes,
6.022.
Avogadro number 6.022 into
I
10
will.
power 23. 23. So into mass of one electron. What is the mass of one electron? 9.1 into 10 power minus 31. Minus 31. So powers and all I will make it. You do it everybody. 2 into 6.022 into 9.1. Multiply this and tell me. Powers alone I will write. 10 power 3 into 10 power 23 into 10 power minus 31. So 23 plus 3, 26. 26 minus 31. How much it is? Fastly tell me.
23.
Ma, 26 minus 31. How much it is? 4 plus 1, 5 minus 5. Am I right, everybody? So 10 power minus 5. So multiply this and tell me what is the answer. 2 into 6.022 into 2 into 6.022 into 2 into 6.022 into 9.1. 9.1. Everybody, how much is the answer? 109.6004. That is the actually mass. Actually. So mass is actually it is in kilogram. Now I want to make it into grams. So how to make it? Everybody, 109.6004 into 10 power minus 5. 1 kilogram equals to how many grams, Ra? 1 kilogram equals to how many grams? 10 power 3 grams. So answer is 109.6004 into 10 power minus 2 grams. So 10 power minus 2 means decimal will move this side. So it will become 1.096 grams. That is the mass of one electron. Mass of all the electrons. Mass of all the electrons is this much. Till here any doubt ask me. Understand Mr. Lingesh? Mari?
Yes,
Yes?
sir.
That is only the difference. So
Yes.
the mass of atoms and mass of ions, how much is the difference? What is the difference? 1.096 grams. That is only the difference. Okay, guys? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Do it. Any doubt you can ask. Mr. Sam, understand? Darshana, Pranav, Prardhana, please make proper internet connections. You have to do it. Make it quick, everybody. Any doubt you can ask. Completed? Mari?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Agalya, understand Agalya?
Yes, sir.
So it's very simple. Why we are considering here mass of electrons? Because 1 or 2 electrons means we won't consider. Here how many electrons are there? 2 times of 10 power 3 moles means very large number, millions of electrons. So definitely there will be a mass. That's what it is. Purima, ellame. Understand everybody? That's what we are considering now. Okay. Next, which has more number of atoms? That is what 100 grams of N2 or 100 grams of NH3. So very simply you can find it. So what is the way we can solve? 100 grams of N2 or 100 grams of NH3. So I'll solve here. So 100 grams of N2, which is having more particles they are asking. 100 grams of N2. So what is the number of moles? Given mass divided by molar mass. Given mass is 100 grams. What is the molar mass of nitrogen? 2 into 14, which is equals to, speak loudly. 28. 28. Ma, you have to be very advanced, ma. Already 35th question we are studying it. 37th question. How fastly you have to solve? 100 divided by 28. Solve fastly and tell me how much answer. 100 divided by 28. Very, very slow people. Number of moles is equals to 3.57. Now number of particles. Number of particles equals to number of moles into which number? Which number, guys? Avogadro number. Okay. So which is equals to. So into 6.022. 6.022. So which is equals to 21.50 into 10 power 23 particles. Particles of nitrogen. Molecules. N2. Same way. Next. Who else? 100 grams of NH3. 100 grams of NH3, the molecule. So NH3 means ammonia, 100 grams again. So what is the molar mass? Number of moles. Given mass divided by molar mass. Given mass is 100 grams. Molar mass of ammonia, tell me. 1 into 14 plus 3 into
17.
which is equals to 14 plus 3 equals how much, guys? 17. Understand? So 17 gram per mole. Find number of moles and tell. I won't say. You have to tell. 100 divided by 17. 100 divided by 17. 5.88 moles. Okay, very poor. Alfin, are you solving? I'm calling you only. Number of particles is equals to number of moles into Avogadro number. So do it, everybody. 5.88 into Avogadro number. 6.022 into 10 power 23. So solve it and tell me how much it is. 6.022. So you'll get 35.42 into 10 power 23 NH3 molecules. NH3 molecule, which is greater for all of you. This is 35 and this is 21. Which is greater? Which is greater?
35.
Ammonia or nitrogen? Everybody. Who is having greater? 100 grams of ammonia has more number of atoms. More number of atoms. That's the answer. Solve, everyone. If you are not ready to do it, you can leave from the meeting. Not required. If simply sitting, not at all responding means not required. You can leave. No issues, sir. Whomever it is, no problem. Yarra idi Samsung. Make it quick. Anything doubt, ask me. Mr. Lingesh completed. Mari,
Yes, sir, doing so.
do it. Everybody do it. Simply you cannot copy. Over. Completed. Next question. Compute the number of ions present in 5.85 grams of sodium chloride. See that? Do you all feeling the numericals, everybody? Every question is a numerical. How we are make it? Do you understand, everyone? So the more you solve, definitely the more you can do better in the exams. That is what is the only practice it is. Higher classes, chemistry, you don't believe I'm saying you. If you, for example, you take 12th class, you ask if anybody, sisters, brothers are there. It will be looks like some chapters, it looks like you'll feel even mathematics is better. You know that much numericals will find. So that is what stoichiometry will start means it's a full of numericals only. It is very, very that much. So compute the number of ions present in 5.85 grams of sodium chloride. And note my word, this mole concept is going to rule in 11th and 12th chemistry. If you are good in calculations, that is very, 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 very useful for you there for a better progress. It is very fastly you can do it compared to others. So compute the number of ions present in 5.85 grams of sodium chloride. So given mass, what is the given mass, everyone? All of you?
5.5
Yes.
grams.
So given mass is equals to 5.85 grams. Okay. Now let us find the sodium chloride, correct? Sodium chloride. What is the molar mass of sodium chloride, everybody? Molar mass of sodium chloride. You all should speak, guys. Number of atoms of sodium, 1. What is the sodium chloride atomic mass? Mr. Kishore?
58.5 moles.
23 plus chlorine is 1 into 35.5, which is equals to how much am I total? 23 plus
58.5.
0.5, which is equals to 50,
8.5.
58.5. See, you all should try to say, at least as I told you yesterday itself, at least one question I'm able to answer. That is what is my target in a given whole class. So given mass divided by molar mass. Given mass is 5.85, molar mass is 58.5. So ones are tens are. So what is the number of moles, everybody?
1/10.
Moles. 1 by 10 moles. Now, they are asking, you all can notice it. Total number of question, if you see, what is the question actually? Compute the number of ions present in 5.85 grams. Ions means what? They are not specifying positive ions or negative ions. Total ions. Means, what is the ions present in sodium chloride? Can you tell me? Sodium ions plus chlorine ions. Am I right or wrong, everyone?
Yes, yes.
Yes. NaCl, Na plus ions and Cl minus ions.
Yes,
Yes or no? So now means one molecule of NaCl contains how many ions? Anybody? One molecule of NaCl contains how many ions? One Na ion and one Cl ion. Totally how many ions, guys? Two ions. One molecule of NaCl is containing how many ions, guys? Two ions. What is that? One Na plus and one Cl minus. If they ask only positive ions, how many positive ions?
One
Only.
ion.
1.
Understand? That is you should remember. Okay, everybody? Clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
So now, if one molecule of NaCl contains NaCl two ions, then 1 by 10 moles. So 1 by 10 moles means how many particles totally? Number of particles. So n is equals to number of moles into Avogadro number. So what is the number of moles? 1 by 10. Avogadro number how much? 6.022 into 10 power 23 NaCl molecule will come. Now, total number each molecule. So we will get total. Now, what is the total number of particles, all of you? Total ions. Total ions is equals to each molecule contains two ions. So means 2 into 1 by 10 into total number of particles. 6.022 into 10 power 23. That's all. So multiply it. 2 ones are 2 fives are. So what will happen, everybody? 1 by 5 into 6.022 into 10 power 23. So 10 power 23, you leave it. 10 power 23, you leave it. Only do it 6.022 divided by 5. Do it and tell me the answer. Make it quick and tell me. All of you? 6.022 divided by 5 into 10 power 23. Do the division and tell me. Innara idi?
1.2
1.2044 into 10 power 23 ions. So this is the total ions. Total ions of what? Sodium plus and chlorine minus. Both ions it is. Do you understand, everyone? That is you have to remember. Do it, everybody. Understand, everybody? Mari, clear, Lingesh, Hasini?
Yes, sir.
Do it. Gokul Raja, your only I'll check tomorrow. Saturday I'll check your class work. Solve, everyone solve. Okay, Laksha. Completed this question, Agalya. Next question is related to our life. This is our gold shop question. If you go to gold shop, you can make it. A gold sample contains 90% of gold and the rest is copper. Means what is the amount of copper percentage?
10%.
10%. How many atoms of gold are present in 1 gram of this sample of gold? 1 gram of sample of gold. So given purity of gold is how much? Sailesh?
80%.
So given purity of gold, how much, Amma? Given purity of gold. Purity how much, Ra?
90%.
90%. 90%. What is the given mass? Given mass 1 gram. Understanding? So this is what actually gold plus copper. So now I want only mass of gold. So what is the mass of gold in 1 gram? Mass of gold in 1 gram, everybody, which is equals to what? 90% of 1 gram. Yes or no, guys? Yes,
Yes,
please.
sir.
So 90% of 1 gram means 90 by 100 into 1 gram. So 0, 0 will get cancelled. 9 by 10 means 0.9 grams is gold. Okay, wow? Everybody? 0.9 grams gold. Out of 1 gram, 0.9 grams gold and remaining 0.1 gram copper. Now they are asking number of gold atoms. So you can see, now we found given mass. So number of moles. Number of moles is equals to given mass divided by molar mass. Now I am teaching you, you don't know, you learn. Molar mass of gold is 197 gram per mole. Please note it. Learn it. Very important because gold is a very familiar element. So you should learn. Molar mass of gold is 197 gram per mole. So now you can write it 0.9 divided by 197. So do the division and you will get it. Let me write it 9 divided by 1970. Do the division and tell me how much it is. 1970, which is equals to how much, everybody? Do the division and tell, you'll get 0.00458. That is the number of moles. Now we want number of particles. Number of particles, what is the formula? Number of moles into what, guys? Avogadro number. So number of moles is 0.0004568 into Avogadro number 6.022 into 10 power 23. So multiply it and tell me what is the answer. You'll get it. 6.022. That alone you multiply. So you'll get the answer 0.0275 into 10 power 23. So can you tell me this one 2 point? I want 2 point. 2.75. So power how much it will come? You all should speak.
21.
21. Very good. Who is that?
Batma, sir.
Yeah. Do it fast. So that is the part. Very good, Padma. Make it quick. Understand, everyone? All of you?
Sir.
Kavya, solving?
Yes, sir.